Hey guys, Muddy Water Tennessee Fishing here. Hope y'all enjoy this DIY kayak build. I want to thank everybody that subscribed. Pedro Benantez, you're the winner of the giveaway from my last video. I want to reach out to you and get your address and get them baits sent to you, and I appreciate you all watching. Let's get into this build. Alright, right there with both sides finished up. I got to do another layer on the inside, making it 4-inch gunnels like the front and the rear. Just patching that in, and then I got to run my tri-tune design on the bottom. I bless you, want to do good. Right here's what it looks like so far. Getting the edges rounded up. Right here's the last piece on the side walls. Just flipping it. Glue up. And here good, and then right there's this first tune on. Got the other one glued. And then I gotta do this one. Coming up with something for the rear. See about that. Got my Luon board in here I was talking about. And here's the bottom. See, I got my pontoons. There she is. Got that divider glued in, seat riser's done. Gluing in right now the side wall with Luon, and I'm going to do that side as well. I'm going to leave it open front deck for plenty of room. Got a name for her, the Crappie 8, where I crappie fish a bunch. And bass fish. I do a lot from kayaks, but I've been wanting to mark this off my list for a long time. Building one. I enjoy fishing out of boats I build. You just get more enjoyment out of it, knowing that you put it together and it's working, and gives you a lot of pride in it. It's come along pretty good. I'll keep you guys updated. I got this kayak build done. I struggled a little bit with the top because I used bed sheet instead of canvas, so I got a lot of wrinkles in it, but I'm going to camo this one anyway. But this is an 8-foot kayak. I'm 334 pounds, and as you can see from the sidewalls and stuff, and even if I lean over to get my fish, I'm leaning a good bit. But 8 foot, this thing right here will turn on the dime. It's been made out of styrofoam. It's super quick. Cannot wait to go test it out on the water. I'll catch you after. Alright guys, right here it is. The 8-foot kayak I built. Pretty quick. overall stability is real good. It's holding my body weight, which was the goal. I think we've done pretty good on it.